How to book flight through Chase app. Open the Chase mobile app on your smartphone or tablet device. Log in using your Chase username and password credentials securely. Tap the menu icon located at the top left corner. Select Travel from the menu options displayed on the screen. Then tap on Flights to begin the flight booking process through Chase. Enter your departure and destination cities in the search fields. Select your desired travel dates for both departure and return flights. Choose the number of passenger and preferred class of service. Tap Search to view available flights option matching your criteria. Select your preferred flight and review the booking details carefully. Confirm your booking and complete payment using your Chase account. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.